Hey boo, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Ebony Jean. Please hit that subscribe button to turn on the notification bell. If you're a current subby, welcome back. Shout out to my queens and kings. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing an updated brow tutorial. I've been meaning to do this all year, but I just ran out of my pencil and I had to wait for my package from Sephora to come in the mail, so I got all my stuff. By the way, I am a Sephora Squad finalist. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. Guys, I am over the moon. Like, I just got the news last week, and I want to say thank you to every single person who took time out of their busy schedules to submit a testimonial on my behalf. You guys are incredible, and it shows that I'm doing something right. Although I'm a finalist, we still have some work to do, so please click on the link in my description box where it says Sephora Squad Testimonial, and tell Sephora why you think I should be on your beauty squad. If I've made an impact on your life, if I've inspired you, encouraged you, if you enjoy my content, please let Sephora know why I should be on their beauty squad. This plays a huge role in the selection process. They're going to be notifying everyone who's made it on May 25th. So we have just a couple more weeks left, and this is a huge deal to me because it will give me a greater opportunity to advance in my beauty career, as well as being there for the bald community, because in a time where representation matters, it's important for women of color who are bald to see that we can make it, to see that we can be successful, and hair is not a requirement. So for me to be the first black alopecian on the finalist list, and I am up against a lot of incredible people, so not everyone's going to make it, unfortunately, but it would be a true honor to be on that list for the new 2021 class. Like, that would be amazing. No matter the results, thank you so much for believing in me. Thank you for supporting me. God bless you all, and let's hope for the best. So please continue sending in your testimonials, and let's get started. This is the original pencil that I use. My favorite brow pencil in the world, the Anastasia Perfect Brow Pencil in the shade Dark Brown. I love the matte finish this gives because it prevents my brows from looking oily and like sweaty, especially now that we're getting closer to summer. So this is my holy grail, okay? So one thing that I like to do before drawing my brows is taking a cotton ball and wiping off any excess oil. I do have some hair growing in up here, which I am very excited about, but we're still going to draw today. So I like to wipe off any excess oil. Now I'm going to start where my, I guess I kind of have like a guideline now. If you don't have a guideline, that's okay, but what you want to do is start drawing right above your orbital bone, and if you don't know where that is, it's above your eye socket, so you have to feel right up here. That's your orbital bone. And what I'm going to do, since I have some hairs in, I'm going to lightly outline where the actual brows could have been. And if you are heavy-handed like me, try to press very gently. Don't like press all the way down in the crayon. So I'm going to press very lightly. I know we look a mess right now. It's okay. By the way, when you're drawing your brows, you want to make sure you don't make any facial expressions. Don't raise your brow bone. Don't do anything, because your brows are going to be all the way up here, and you don't want that, sis. So you want to make sure that your face is as natural as possible, and you're following the natural guideline of where your brows could have been. So every facial shape is different. Every structure is different. And I understand that not everyone draws their brows like I do. That's okay. That's okay. So all of us have our techniques, and this is the way that I do them. I can see the little hairs growing in, but anywho, I digress. I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Espresso. I'm going to outline and shape up my brows. This is what my brow looks like. I feathered out the tips with my airbrush concealer brush from Sephora. I just feathered it out right here and shaped up the tail of the brow just a little bit. Anything that helps you achieve your brow goals, you're more than welcome to use. I just use the ABH pencil because that is the best pencil that works for me. I love how pigmented my brows look, and I have some great results every time I draw them. So yeah, this is what I use, and I'm going to move on to my left brow, and I'll be right back. I'm gonna go and finish doing my makeup, and I will be back with you guys in just a little bit. Alright, my makeup's all done. I hope you guys like it. If you're wondering what palette I used, I have the Aina Anastasia palette. I totally forgot this was in my collection, and this is like my second time breaking it out, and I got a whole bunch of makeup on my fingers, but whatever, I'm about to clean up anyway. But it's time for me to get ready for my Zoom meeting. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Please give me a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. And send me a Sephora Squad testimonial. I would kindly appreciate your support. Alright, I love you guys so much. God bless, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!